So what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix transfer from your debit card has failed on Cash App. If you're experiencing transfer fail when using your debit card on Cash App, there are a few things you can do to fix this issue. So step number 1 is check your debit card information. Double check your debit card information before using it on Cash App. Ensure the card number, expiration date, and CVV code are correct. Then step number 2 is check your bank account balance. Insufficient fund in your bank account can cause transfer fail when using your debit card on Cash App. Ensure you have enough fund in your bank account before using your debit card on Cash App. Then step number 3 is verify your identity. If you are a new Cash App user, you may need to verify your identity before using your debit card on Cash App. To do this, go to your profile and follow the steps to verify your identity. Then our solution number 4 is contact your bank. If you have tried all the above solutions and you are still experiencing transfer failure when using your debit card on Cash App, contact your bank. Your bank may have put a hold on your account, which could be causing the transfer failure. Contacting your bank will help you determine if any issue with your account is causing the problem. After applying this and you are still facing the same issue, then try last solution: restart your iPhone. Another quick fix to Cash App errors is to restart your iPhone. In most cases, restarting the device could eradicate random bugs causing your Cash App to give some errors, which might cover Cash App issues also. So restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, then go back, then go to general, and scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.